Yo, what's going on guys? This is Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Now today in this video we're going to show you how to restore faded headlights. Like this here, if your headlights looking real yellow, you can't actually pick out really up in camera, but anyway, if it's looking real yellow and faded, now you can't actually feel MOT if your lights aren't clean enough. I think if they're really dull and faded and they're not really showing the light on the light alignment, then you will feel MOT. Now you can restore these for about £5. I'm going to show you how to today in this video. Now what we've got is a bucket of soapy water with a bit of 800 wet and dry sandpaper. We've got a tin of high coat clear lacquer, that's about £2. We've got a roll of masking tape and a roll of paper. Now we need the masking tape and paper just to tape in around the lights, and we need the 800 obviously to rub the lights, and then we'll dry them with just a bit of kitchen roll or something, and we'll spray this high coat on them. Now the way we're going to do it, we're going to put one dust coat of that high coat lacquer on first, and then we're going to go in with second wet coat just to give it that ultimate shine. Now I'm only doing this car because it's been lying in the field for, I'd say, guts of 2 years, and we don't know what's happening with it, and the lights are pretty bad, so might as well get in, get these lights shined up for a wee video. I know I did do a video about removing scratches, but I never talked in depth about lacquering them and stuff. Now this should be a long lasting treatment. Maybe not with this lacquer, but it might be, because it says that lacquer protects it from UV damage and stuff. So let's hope it is. So anyway guys, let's start sanding these lights down and get into it.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative.
So you have it guys, that's one light done. Basically all it does, wee bit of wet sand with 800, one nice coat of lacquer and then another coat of lacquer, and it actually doesn't look too bad. Now if you're going to be fussy, you'd obviously mask up everything properly and put your paper around it and stuff, but because this is a Civic and it's probably going to end up in scrap, makes no difference where I flip and paint the wings in or not, but I just taped up around it anyway, roughly, and you can see it makes some difference doing that light like that. Now it looks a wee bit misty here as you can see, but I think that's just whatever way lacquer's not dried or whatever. So that was 2 coats of lacquer in that light. Now if you want to do it properly, obviously you get the proper 2-pack lacquer kit and spray it with the gun and stuff, and it looks far better. But for the time being, if you want it the cheap side, because obviously not everyone has big money to spend, £2 lacquer, bit of roll of tape, and that's it. So we're going to crack on to the same this side, bit of 800, scuff the light up, take the badness off it, and spray a wee bit of lacquer around it, and we'll catch you back after that. So you have it guys, that's both headlights done, looking far shinier. Definitely hasn't got the yellow look no more. Don't get me wrong, they're probably not 110%, but for £5 you're not going to complain. Saves you spend what, 50 quid to go buy new headlights for this thing. So anyway guys, if you did find this video helpful, make sure you do slap a like button and subscribe if you haven't already, or if you thought it was a waste of time, drop a comment down below and let me know. Anyway guys, it's been Rebuilds NI.